tight. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Finally, we are recording again, man. And I want to say a huge special thank you for you guys real quick before we start today's video. We just hit 6,000 subscribers. Oh my god, guys, 6,000, man. I remember saying 100 subscribers, 150 subscribers, man. I'm never gonna get over this, man. I'm never gonna get over this milestone that you guys are putting me through. And you know, just all the support and dedication that you guys come to, you know, to take your time out of the day to come to this channel and watch the video for, you know, 10, 12, 13 minutes, whatever it is, man. I just want to thank you guys so much for all the continued support. You know, we're building a strong family here. It's 6,000, man, but the views are, how do you say, the views are pretty loyal each video, man. If you look at the video average views, the views are there, man, and you guys are always coming back to view another video, which I appreciate so much, man. Like I said, always, I'm so very thankful for you guys. There's channels over there with 20,000, 15,000, 10,000 subscribers, and they're not averaging the same views that we are getting, man, and we're only 6,000 strong, man. So I want to thank you guys so much. Yeah, let's get on with the video.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, what's up? Yeah, man. That being said, we're getting inside the hoopty. The good old loyal hoopty. This thing is so clutch, man. We're gonna go pick up the jack and stands from one of my buddies right now, and then we're gonna go pick up my boy Richie. He's gonna be filming for us today. And then we're probably gonna pick up a bite to eat, and then we will jack up the car, put it on some ramps, and then we'll get the wideband installed today, man. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna go do some pulls after we get it installed and see what the WOT air to fuel ratio is at. So stay tuned, guys. We will keep you guys updated along in the vlog. Thank you guys so much for all this continued support, man. I really appreciate it, your boy. He appreciates it, man. So stay tuned, man. Let's keep it going. So yeah, guys, while I'm driving right now, I just wanted to thank you guys so much again. I know I already thanked y'all, but you know, seeing the numbers grow and all the comments and everything like that, it keeps me wanting to keep on doing this for you guys. I wouldn't be doing all this stuff, you know. I got the new clutch in, I'm going up to a 150 shot. To be honest, I probably wouldn't be doing all this stuff if I wasn't doing YouTube. You know, the 100 shot and probably just the NA setup is good for me. I probably would have a Coyote by now, to be honest, but you know, I'm throwing all my money into this car, and I'm doing it for you guys because I know the 2-valve gang out there loyal. Y'all loyal as yeah, man. I do this thing for y'all, man, so I appreciate y'all so much. I'm gonna keep it going for you guys. I don't care if it's gonna take 5 weeks, 5 months, 5 years. I'm gonna keep this thing up for you guys. I'm gonna keep on building for you guys, whether it be the 2-valve, whether we make it 1,000 horse, you know, build the motor, you know, crazy shit like that. I'm in it for the long haul, guys. Some future things that I would like for the channel, for another car. And listen, when I say this, I'm saying another car, not a different car. The 2-valve is staying forever, man. This car has made me what I am today, and to be honest, I'm never gonna get what I want for it. And you know, even if I sold it for 10 grand, I'd still be losing. So, you know, the car's not going anywhere, man. I don't see the point of selling it for 10 grand when I could, you know, go finance another car and, you know, be paying monthly on it and still have my car. It'd be something that I would love to show my kids, or, you know, something like that. So, the car is never going anywhere, man. But future things on like another car I would want to get. Let me know, would you guys like to see a Terminator or a Coyote? I've always kind of been against getting a Terminator because of how expensive they still are, but that's kind of attractive also. The Terminator is, you know, I feel like it's always going to be that car and always going to be expensive as long as you keep it, you know, decent mileage and pretty clean. But it's in the Coyote price range, and the thing about that is that it's creeping up on like 20-year-old technology, and you know, things are starting to break because of how old it is. And you know, it's just not brand new. It's not the Coyote platform, but it makes Coyote power. So that's what's pretty crazy. So let me know what you guys think on another car. Would you guys rather see a Terminator or Coyote? Because I know there's a lot of, you know, YouTubers, I'm not gonna go out there and say anything, but there's a lot of guys out there that are switching to that Coyote platform, which is, there's a reason why, you guys. I mean, they make power stupid easy. You know, they're fun to drive, they're fun to make content with, and you know, there's a reason why. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, man. Please let me know what you guys think. Pulling up to my buddy's house right now. We're about to grab this jack, and then we're gonna pick up my boy, and then we'll get to the house and get to installing, man. So yes, sir. Hurry up, dog. We got work to do. Let's go. Scott. Now I'm leaving that in there, right?
Oh, fuck it.
Hey, can I just take a number 1? Yeah, and then I'll take a Coke with Easy Eyes.
Okay, is enough for you?
Nah, that's it.
Scott.
This install should be very straightforward. It's pretty nice. They include all this stuff. It's all plug and play. So the hardest part about this is just gonna be feeding it through the car, through the transmission tunnel and stuff like that. So fairly simple. I can't wait to install this. I just read the instructions right now. It says blue and white are optional, and black is ground, and this is gonna be our 12-volt source, which we're probably gonna connect this to the same plug we did for the window switch on the nitrous. So pretty straightforward, man. We got the ramps over there. We're about to roll the car out and put it on the ramps right now, and then we'll get to installing this. So let's go. Alright guys, so plan of attack is right now for this install, we're gonna try to, you know, get all these wires situated. This is obviously gonna go underneath the car, so we don't need this right now. We're gonna get this, we're gonna get the gauge mounted, connected to here, and I think we're gonna need to run it inside the transmission tunnel. I haven't did no research on any installs or anything, so I'm just kind of, I was gonna say freeballing. I'm kind of just, you know, going in this thing blind, but it shouldn't be too hard, man. So, you know, look at that beautiful MGW shifter we installed a little while back. Okay, the guys kind of just snapped it in right now without, you know, just test fitting the wires. And I kind of don't like how it mix and matches, but you know, it doesn't really matter to me. But this right here, the cockpit view right here, it looks pretty damn good. So trying to figure out right here. It looks like we're going to take the shifter apart, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna notch it, because I don't think this thing will smash the wires that much. And it has this kind of protective wiring case on it, so I think it should be all right. But we're gonna take the shifter off right now, try to figure it out, start running the wires actually for this thing, and I will update you guys along the way. All right guys, I'm not sure if you can see, you know, it's pretty tight in here with the H pipe and us not being on jack stands, but it's gonna work. These are the two rear O2s that we're gonna use. Those are obviously the front O2s, or the cats would be, and you can see the header wraps all coming off. But this is where it's coming from. You know, it's gonna be a pretty simple installation. I thought they're gonna be further back, but we're basically gonna try to take this one right now. And this is our new Bosch wideband. It's basically just gonna plug in, and I'm gonna try to zip tie this other O2 up somewhere safe, and we're gonna zip tie the rest of this wire up, so we won't have any issues with it getting caught anywhere. But I'm gonna try to bust this right here. Fuck. I'm tight. Ow! Ah! I just smashed my finger. All right, well the right one came loose first, so we're gonna use that one. Alright guys, these are the O2s that I was talking about. This left one's kind of seized on there, so left or right, you know, it should work the same. But you guys can see where the wire's coming out of. But we're gonna end up using the right side, so this left one's kind of seized and I don't feel like messing with it. So we're gonna use the right side. Looks like it's a pretty good angle for the wire and the calibration of the AEM. So you know, it's pretty tight down here for the DSLR. So I'm gonna get this thing installed real quick and then we'll get back in the car. What are you doing, bro? You need to record this, not me.
I'm trying to get it in there.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Bro, you're so dirty.
It's okay, go ahead.
Alright, so this is the stock O2, and this is the new Bosch. Oh, it already came with anti-seize on it, so that's pretty nice. A new Bosch O2 sensor right here. get that little sniffy. You can smell that air to fuel. So I was gonna actually clean this off, but I'm gonna thread this in there and see if it still has some good threads. All right, guys, we're gonna thread this thing in there. It's threading pretty nice. So, man, this wire's pretty long. I wish it wasn't so long, but that's what she said. So we're just gonna connect these right here. AEM made it pretty simple. It's plug and play. We're just gonna tie it up, and you know, just so things don't get caught, man. So we'll get back at you guys in the car. All right, guys. So this boot right here, where the shifter mounts, it was a little torn already. So I just fed this wire through here. I was gonna leave this down there next to the transmission, but I'd rather have this connection inside, you know, where it could be less, you know, where it could be less exposed to water. So while it's in here, it'll be nice and safe and sort of dry in here. I know there's moisture and stuff gets in here, but you know, it looks pretty safe in here. We're just gonna use these. My guy actually who did my wiring for my nitrous, he used these as grounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the black on the AEM right there. I'm gonna use the ground right here and put a terminal on it, and then we'll put the ground right here. And then all we gotta do next, this is very simple, man. This install is gonna be very, very simple, is connect it right here. This is the same fuse tap that I used for the window switch. We're gonna tap it in right there, and then we'll be good to go, man. All we gotta do is connect it all to the gauge, and then we'll be straight. So yeah, we'll get you guys when we're done right here, and then we're gonna go on a little drive and do some wide open throttle pulls.
Hey.
All right, guys, moment of truth. Everything is plugged in. We're gonna crank over the car right now and see if this thing actually reads. So let's check it out. All right, fam, so we're back. It's been a little bit later. My guy pulled up. I forgot I had a freaking hair appointment right now, so I went and got a haircut. Your boy just had to get fresh real quick. So yeah, man, I finished installing the gauge. This is what it looks like right here. I actually put it in the wrong. I don't like how it looks like that, man, but you know, it's gonna have to do. I mean, it looks smooth from up here, so I had it actually tied to the wrong fuse down there, so it was staying on whether the key was off or not, off or on. So you know, I got it on the right fuse now. So when I go ahead and put the key in, you know, it comes on, it does its thing. Yes, sir. 14.6. I'm not sure why it's reading that, but yeah, man, we're gonna roll the car down right now. Go do some test hits right now. See if the car actually reads the right air to fuel at WOT, and yeah, man. Let's see what it does. We're gonna strap the GoPro on real quick, and you guys are gonna get some head action real quick. I mean, you guys are gonna get some head POV action real quick, and then we're gonna head out there, man. So let's go. All right, boys, ready? We're gonna hit a little WOT real quick, but downshift to third. We can do a second gear. Good. I mean, it was 11 in second gear, shifted into third, and then it hit the 12, so that's pretty good. It's 13 right there. Let's see what we got, boys. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, that was probably a windstorm right there, but it stayed in between the 11s and the 12s. At one point I think shifting into fourth, it hit the 12s. So I'll get back at my tuner with that. I'll let him know if that is correct or not. But right now cruising, it's not giving me anything. So if you guys know anything about this wideband or you know this gauge, please let me know. All right, you guys, so that's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video. Successful install, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, everything's working good. You know, I could turn, the steering column's good, the gauge is working, but right here at idle, man, the coolant temp's at like 192 and the cams are loping and everything. and it's not giving me no response. I'll give it some throttle right now. I hold it at like 2,000 right here. That thing is just at 16. Alright, that's pretty loud. But yeah, man, if you guys know anything about these gauges, like I said, please let me know. It looks like it knows what it's doing. It's in between the 11s and the 12s at full throttle. I'm gonna get with my tuner on that, see what he thinks about it. Cruising around though, it's like staying between like 16 the 15s. I'm not sure what it is. I did not calibrate it. I just plugged it into the bung, wired everything, put it in. If I need to calibrate it, please let me know. Let me know how to calibrate it, because I have no idea. I looked up on forums and people are not calibrating these things and they're saying that they're good to go out of the box. So it's the 4110. So if you guys know anything, please let me know in the comments down below, man. That's gonna go ahead and do it for this episode. Next episode is gonna be actually installing the clutch. I got the clutch. Actually, we might put in the intake manifold. So it's either the Typhoon intake manifold or the clutch, man. So those are the next videos coming up soon. Be ready for those, man. 150 shot is coming soon. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. Thank you so much, man, for coming and checking me out today. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. It's been real, fam. We'll see y'all later, man. Peace.